Yeah. You guys have any? Do you have rhubarb? No rhubarb. The last Subway I had.
Tomato on the spicy.
Do you have do you guys have cinnamon? You don't put cinnamon on your sandwiches?
I've never heard of it.
This might sound weird, but do you do fruit like a banana? No bananas?
Is that it? We've never had. We don't
Yeah.
ever have fruit or anything like that. I've never heard of something.
And then this is a weird one. Do you do like whipped cream? All right. I'm at the waterfront with the fam. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but there's a lot of people. We're downtown. Neighbors in front, baby. We've lost our brakes. We've lost our brakes. I really want to do your survey, but we can't stop. On your left. On your left. On your left. You're good. You're good. On your right. Oh, you're right. Or your left. On your left. We're right. We're passing you. Nice blades, dude. Nice blades. How do you do? Save us a seat, man. We'll be around about half an hour. Oh, you want to go? You want to go?
We are completely stable.
Okay, you're looking good. You're almost to the sprint. Now, what I want you to do. Ma'am, do you guys know? Have you seen? There's like a huge boat, big, huge.
No, we haven't.
Oh no, there it is. I got it. Let me ask this guy. Do you know where that big, huge boat is? It's like, oh, right there. Thanks, man. Good job, man. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. I want to take you to the next level. Get one of these. Seriously, you have no idea.
Your turn signals.
USA, USA. We're with you. You guys want to ride? Or are you going the other way? All right. High five. Need the high five. Nice. I don't normally pick up hitchhikers. I'm going to go on my instincts here. Saddle up, partner. That's a travel, dude. You got to dribble that ball.